Hi Anna, this is Boxroom 1. I think you excuse me, you were probably expecting a different orientation of the gliding shoe racks, but I've done this before and it works well in this kind of space. It means you don't have to consider getting in and out of the doors and things like that, and you use this gap in the middle for the gliding mechanism to work. You mentioned, I think, a shelf for bags. Again, something I've done before is use these wire shelf divisions. It helps keep the handles of handbags upright and just keeps them slightly separated from each other. And then we've got the space for suitcases. Now I've put a 300mm shelf in here, that's a 400, and the reason I've done that is, again, it's a problem I've seen countless times. Where you get into difficulties is getting the suitcase in and up past the head of the door there, so which is why I've used a narrower shelf for that. You can put suitcases on two end shelves, like if you imagine this was a shelf but up here, so you're going up the middle and then to the left and to the right. It doesn't make a whole lot of difference, but let me know what you think of that. So here is concept 2 of Boxroom 1. Let's have a look at that. What I've done in concept 2 is I've got rid of all of the more expensive gliding components, just in case this is the one, rather, concept 1 Boxroom 1 is going to be your most expensive, because these gliding components, the cost adds up. So I've looked at a non-gliding version. The difference in shoe capacity is not going to be huge. It'll be about the same, and it is quite a bit cheaper. Okay, so that is Boxroom 1.